Welcome to this explainer. Okay, look, if you've spent literally any time online, you have probably been absolutely bombarded by those flashy ads, right? You know the ones promising that you can make thousands of dollars overnight while supposedly sleeping on a beach somewhere with your laptop. It's that classic internet get-rich-quick myth. But today, we are pushing all that noise completely aside to look at the actual reality. We're going to explore the true blueprint of affiliate marketing. Because the truth is, it's not a scam and it's definitely not some magic trick. It is a highly strategic, totally legitimate, performance-based digital business model. And honestly, it powers a massive chunk of the modern creator economy.
All right, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for the day. We'll quickly cover the reality of affiliate marketing, the ecosystem and mechanics, payouts and profit models, traffic and trust, your step-by-step blueprint, and finally, we'll wrap up with the long-term mindset. Let's get going. Part 1, the reality of affiliate marketing. Let's look closely at this revenue sharing model. At its absolute core, this whole thing is simply a revenue sharing model where creators promote products and then earn a commission on the resulting sales. And it has become completely fundamental to how the internet operates. Research actually shows that affiliate marketing drives anywhere from 15 to 30% of all e-commerce sales globally. I mean, just think about that for a second. Up to a third of all online purchases are driven by affiliates. This isn't just some fringe side hustle. It's a foundational pillar of modern digital commerce that's driving massive new customer acquisition for brands every single day. And to put that scale into perspective, global spending in the affiliate industry is projected to hit an astounding $15.7 billion. So why does this matter to you? Well, because there is virtually no upfront cost to enter. It presents a really sustainable, low-risk business model. You don't need to sink thousands of dollars into inventory or shipping or product development. You can literally start with $0 and a decent internet connection. Moving on to part 2, the ecosystem and mechanics, the core infrastructure of how this all works. To actually succeed here, you first need to understand the relationship between the key players in the game. First up, we have the merchant. This is the brand or the advertiser who is actually creating and selling the product. Now, this could be a giant like Amazon, a software company like Shopify, or even just an independent seller. They handle all the messy, heavy lifting: manufacturing, shipping logistics, customer service, the whole shebang. As an affiliate, you literally never have to deal with shipping a single physical box. Next up is you, the affiliate. Sometimes you'll hear this called the publisher or the creator. Your job here is basically to be the ultimate matchmaker. You're out there finding people who have a very specific problem, and you are matching them with the merchant's exact solution. You use your platform, whether that's a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media page, to review, demonstrate, or just genuinely recommend these products. And finally, tying it all together, we have the affiliate network. Think of this as the digital bridge that connects the merchant and the affiliate. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Rewardful, they provide the underlying infrastructure. They're the ones supplying you with your unique tracking links, they're tracking the clicks and the conversions, and most importantly, they ensure that the payouts are accurately distributed. Basically, they act as a trusted middleman so everyone plays fair. So how does this actually work from a technological standpoint? Well, it all boils down to 4 simple steps. Step 1, a customer clicks your unique affiliate link. Step 2 is where the magic really happens. A tiny tracking token, usually called a cookie, is placed on that user's browser. This cookie's only job is to remember that you were the one who sent them there. Step 3, the customer converts by making a purchase or maybe signing up for a trial. And finally, step 4, the tracking system attributes that action directly back to your cookie, and boom, the commission is paid out to you. All right, part 3, payouts and profit models. Let's talk about how you actually get paid. Now, what's really interesting here is that not all affiliate commissions are created equal. We're generally looking at 2 totally distinct categories. First, you have one-off payments. This means you get paid once for a specific action, like an app install, a lead for a free trial, or just a fixed percentage of a single sale. But then we have the holy grail of affiliate marketing, recurring revenue. This is super common with software subscriptions. Look at it this way. If you refer a customer to a $50 a month subscription for a 20% cut, you earn $10 every single month they stay subscribed. Refer 100 people? That's $1,000 of passive recurring income rolling in month after month. Section 4, traffic, trust, and content. This is the absolute lifeblood of the business. Okay, we've covered the tech mechanics and the money, but let's be real. None of that matters if you don't have an audience. So how do you actually get clicks? Beginners almost always make the mistake of just blasting their links all over the internet. And I can tell you right now, for sure, that does not work. platforms will literally ban you for spamming. The real secret to making this work is captured perfectly in this expert quote from our sources. Focus on solving reader problems, not pushing products. Your goal isn't to be some sleazy salesperson. Your goal is to be a helpful guide. The product you're promoting should merely be presented as the absolute most logical solution to the problem your content is already addressing. Listen, in affiliate marketing, audience trust is your absolute most valuable currency. If your audience trusts your recommendations, they will buy. It's really that simple. Because of that trust factor, transactional content performs the best by far. The highest converting formats out there include in-depth product reviews, X versus Y comparisons, like comparing Wix versus Squarespace, step-by-step tutorials, and really detailed case studies. Think about it. A user searching for those specific things is already primed and ready to buy. They just need you to help them make the final decision. Which brings us to part 5, your step-by-step blueprint. Let's map out your roadmap. If you wanted to start building this business tomorrow, step 1 is picking your niche. Some of the most highly profitable niches out there include technology and software, finance and crypto, health and fitness, and education. But honestly, my biggest piece of advice for a beginner, find that perfect intersection between a profitable niche and your own personal passion. You are going to be creating a lot of content, so you need to actually care about what you're talking about, otherwise you'll burn out. Step 2 is choosing your main traffic source. YouTube is absolutely fantastic for high search intent. Blogs offer slow, steady stability through SEO. Ranking on Google definitely takes time, but it provides incredible passive traffic once you're there. Social media, on the other hand, is great for viral awareness, though the actual conversions tend to be a bit lower. The ultimate strategy? A multi-pronged approach. Build a blog for stable SEO traffic, amplify those posts on YouTube, and definitely leverage modern AI tools to help streamline your research and content creation process so you can maximize your reach without working 24/7. Finally, part 6. The long-term mindset, because quality really does beat quantity. All right, it's time for a quick reality check. Because the barrier to entry here is basically zero, the competition is fierce. The people who fail at this are the ones who expect a full-time, replace your day job income by day 30. You've got to remember, quality beats quantity. One deeply researched, genuinely helpful article is going to outperform dozens of rushed, low-effort ones every single time. You aren't just out there building links, you are building an online brand, and that requires patience, consistency, and a real focus on genuine value creation. So I'm going to leave you with this final, kind of provocative question. Are you ready to stop mindlessly scrolling, start solving real problems for people, and take your first actual step into the creator economy? Affiliate marketing is not a lottery ticket, folks. It's a skill. It's a highly rewarding business model just waiting for those willing to put in the focused work. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what you build.